Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Super excited for today's first Halloween 2018 Fortnite Black Ops makeup tutorial. I'm going to go ahead and quickly go through it just to let you know this is sped up for your convenience. But we're going to start with the brows. On the character of Black Ops on Fortnite, it's pretty darker than mine, very animated, so I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade Ebony, which is one of the darkest shades, and I feel that it can work for your brows naturally, but I personally like to mix the ebony with the medium brown for an everyday look. So I'm just going to take ebony and create some bold dark brows. And quickly doing the other side, but I'm also going to use another ABH product, which is the highlighting duo pencil. I'm only going to use the matte Camille side, and the reason for this is to brighten the area around it so that the darker brows stand out more and look more animated. So here I'm just shaping it, and I'm going to take another concealer brush and kind of blend it out, but as you can see, it does definitely make a difference. And then we're going to move on to the face, which is just my preference for this actual look, and I'm going to use the Becca Cosmetics First Light Priming Filter, which is a radiant kind of luminous hydrating primer, which I love. And I'm going to go ahead and top that with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in the shade 280, and use my Farsali Rose Gold Elixir to infuse that in my beauty blender and just blend it all out. Next, I'm going to go ahead and use Himalaya Skin Concealer from Kylie Cosmetics. And the reason I'm using the pinkier shade only is because I feel like the skin tone of the character, or the skin, the Fortnite skin, is lighter. So I'm just trying to brighten my skin as much as possible, and this concealer is amazing and hydrating as well. So I'm going to go ahead and use the Toofaced Peach Perfect Setting Powder because it does have that peachy tone to it as well for that brightening effect. And there's not that much contour in the animation of the skin ops, or the Black Ops skin. So I'm just going to slightly take that grayish natural contour and lightly contour my nose and sides of my face with the Urban Decay Shapeshifter Medium Palette, and also take the same kind of grayish shadow tone or shade on my eyes, and also take the Rimmel London Special Eyes Precision Eyeliner Pencil and tightline all of my eyes. I'm doing this first just to get it out of the way, but I absolutely love this pencil. It's definitely one of the drugstore pencils I go to for a bold black look. Now I'm taking the KKW Beauty plus the Mario collab and take that shade in particular because it's super perfect. I believe it's called Loyalty. If I'm wrong, I will insert the actual right name of the shade, but this shade is beautiful. It's like a grayish, dark, kind of purpley tone to it, and I just feel like it just matches perfectly the Black Ops skin and that band around her eyes. So I'm actually just shading in that whole band area around the eyes with that shade in particular. And in my opinion, you don't have to be super perfect with it. I think imperfection is better. The messier it is, the better it is, in my opinion. But this is the result of the band and that one eyeshadow. But to define the eyes a little bit more, I'm going to go ahead and go into the shade Noir from Anastasia Beverly Hills again, and just deepen the outer V and almost create like a smudgy, not perfect kind of wing. Then I'm going to go over that with the Sigma Beauty Wicked gel eyeliner and use the Sigma Beauty EO6 defined kind of precise wing brush, which is amazing and I can't live without. And I'm going to create a wing with it. And I haven't used this in a long time. So next is the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir mascara, and I'm just kind of going for the darker black shades. And I'm going to move on to the lips now. This is the Kylie Cosmetics lip liner. It is new. It is the shade Caramel. It is warm. You can use it alone or as a liner like in this look. And I'm going to go ahead and fill it in with the Kylie Cosmetics Velvet liquid lipstick in the shade Commando, which is one of my favorites. It's like a brownie, warm, pinky nude, and I love it. Then I'm going to set everything with the MAC Fix Plus, and that was the lavender option. And then I got this either from Amazon or eBay, I believe, and it's just a body paint, and I'm just going to kind of softly go over my neck with it and then put on some lashes. My go-to is the Iconic Lights from House of Lashes, and this is the end result. I did have a wig from last year, and I just kind of cut it up. I was not precise with it. I probably didn't do an amazing job cutting it, but I think it came out pretty good, and I'm super happy and excited because my boyfriend's super obsessed with Fortnite, and I am super obsessed with this look, and I had fun. So hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Hope it helped you out in any way that it could, and more power to all the Fortnite players out there. Have a safe Halloween, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye, guys.